Hello and welcome again. In today's video, we'll be downloading Ubuntu desktop on a virtual machine. Now, on this particular computer now, it's running a Windows 11 operating system. However, I'll be running a Linux machine using this application called VMware Workstation 17. Yeah, you could download this. Once you type this on Google, it should definitely bring this out and you'll be able to download and install. So what this does is I'll be able to run a Linux computer or Linux OS on my computer without having to shut down my Windows 11 that I have opened here, my Windows OS that I have opened here. So I still have my Windows OS opened, and yet I'll be able to run a Linux environment. Alright, so without wasting much of our time, so what do I want to do? The first thing is I've downloaded this particular VMware Workstation. If you don't have it, you can download it. And the next thing is to get the Ubuntu, the desktop version. Okay, so I've typed this. Then let's go here. I can see desktop here. All right, we have two versions here. This is 22 and it says LTS. The LTS stands for long-term support. This means that at least 5 years of free security. Okay, we have it here. 5 years of free security and maintenance updates are guaranteed till 2027. And this one is not the one with LTS, and it is the latest version of Ubuntu 23. And what this means is that we would get 9 months of security and maintenance update. That means until January 2024. So well, we want something that would last and be durable. Well, if I want to download this, it's just for me to see the new features that are in the new latest version of Ubuntu. But for now, for this particular video, I'll be using Ubuntu 20. So once I click on download here, it's already start downloading. Yeah, so we just hold on. I'll fast forward to after the download is complete. Okay, now the download is complete and I have it moved into here. Click on create a new virtual machine. I have my, okay, it's auto detected this. Then I go to next. Okay, I put a name. Then I put a name. Then my password, I don't want this. Select the language you want. Is it English, Nigeria? It's there. I'm using US, so let's continue. Selecting US and continue. Do I want to do the normal installation where it installs the browser utility, the office software, games, media players and all, or just a basic installation? I would advise you do basic installation, because any media you want to do it on your normal computer. But then I would go ahead to do this normal installation. It might just take some time. Do I get this third-party software for graphic, Wi-Fi, and this? I don't want. So I will be using this to update, download updates while installing Ubuntu at the same time. So continue. Okay, do I want to erase disk? But then you see this computer currently has no detected operating system. What would you like to do? I just want to erase disk and install Ubuntu. Now this computer that is referring to here is not my Windows computer that I have here at all. So the computer is referring to here is the virtual machine that it's trying to install Ubuntu on. So it has no operating system on it already. If I was trying to install this ISO on my own machine, I would have gone for partition. So what partition does, it still leaves my Windows 11, my Windows OS, and installs by the side Ubuntu that I'm trying to install. That's what it does. It's going to ask for a clarification or a confirmation that do I still want to proceed with this option I've checked. Yeah, I'm in Lagos, Nigeria. Let's go. GMT +1. Actually, I've given it my name already, but then I'll just continue again with this. I don't want my computer name to be microwave virtual machine, so I'll just see Jetemi is fine. And pick a username. I'll also call it Jetemi. Okay, while it's installing, let me just quickly show you the files that it's created. You see, this wasn't there before. Now it has created this, and you see it's broken up into chunks. The different partitionings I did, see, one here, another here, another here, another here. So this will make it easier to ship out. If I need to transfer my Ubuntu, it makes it so easy to ship out. I'll be able to like move my files on some project, or like having it just on a single particular disk, one disk. So my files, this means that I can easily move my files to any other machines at any time, when I like or when I want. All right, our installation is complete now. So it's asking, do we want to restart? That we should restart the computer. So it's asking that we should restart the computer. So I'll do restart now. Yeah, so our installation took some time because of what I've what's it called selected. I asked it to do the normal installation. So if I had selected the minimal installation, it might not have taken this much time. Okay, I have my user now asking me to log in. You see the screen is small, but then would resolve that. It's not an issue. Put in my password, enter, and should take me to my desktop. So guys, we have our Ubuntu desktop 22 running. So in case your screen is small like the way it was before, to solve that, it's so easy. You could just come to, you right click on the desktop area, display setting, then it should take you to where you can update this guy. Currently I'm using this setup.